How to use screen readers with Kortext. In this video, we'll be demonstrating Kortext screen reader capabilities using the NVDA software for Windows desktop devices. After you've installed NVDA on your device, open the program by pressing the Ctrl, Alt and N keys at the same time. NVDA will then automatically start to read text and navigation buttons as you move your cursor.
Alright, good people. 66 simple rules for entrepreneurs.
Once you've loaded up the Kortext bookshelf, NVDA will read out the text and navigational buttons as speech while you travel around the page. Find the book you'd like to read by scanning your mouse around the bookshelf and listening to the narrator as you browse.
Advanced research methods.
Once you've heard the title of the book you'd like to read, click on the book to enter the Kortext e-reader. Similarly to the bookshelf, the narrator will read aloud the text as you travel around the page, including the main body text and navigational buttons.
Go to next page.
You can even use our study tools like notes, flashcards, and citations, using a screen reader to annotate your work and create study tools that help you engage with your reading. Our study tools can be accessed by using the mouse to highlight selected text, then use the screen reader to listen to the pop-up menu options to choose your study tool.
Create citation. Flashcard.
As well as NVDA, Kortext has also been tested and is compatible with the JAWS, narrator, talkback, and voiceover screen readers. We also have an inbuilt read aloud feature inside the Kortext e-reader that turns text to speech and can be used to listen to main body text. To use our read aloud feature, highlight chosen text with your cursor and click Read Aloud from the pop-up menu. Normally, when a product is supplied which proves not to be of satisfactory quality, only a contractual claim can be maintained. Browse our video library for more videos about Kortext accessibility features or read our accessibility statement on our resource site.